Section 7.3, Example 2 on page 452, we have postulate 6, the segment addition postulate. If 3 points A, B, and C are collinear and B is between A and C, then the length of segment AB plus the length of segment BC equals the length of segment AC. So in our diagram, we can see that the order of the points goes A, B, C, and they all fall on the same line. And if we add the length of segment AB to the length of segment BC, we will get the entire length of the segment AC. Example 2 says, if the length of segment EG equals 59, what are the length of segment EF and the length of segment FG? Over here we have EF with 8x minus 14 and FG with 4x plus 1. So we can say that the length of segment EF is 8x minus 14, the length of segment FG is 4x plus 1, and the length of segment EG altogether is 59. Therefore, using the segment addition postulate, we can say that the length of segment EF plus the length of segment FG will equal the length of segment EG, but we know that the length of segment EG is 59, the length of segment EF is 8x minus 14, and the length of segment FG is 4x plus 1. Since we are just adding, we can remove the parentheses and combine like terms. We have 8x plus 4x to get 12x, negative 14 plus 1 will give us negative 13, and we still have our 59 on the right. Our goal is to get x by itself, so we're going to add 13 to both sides. 13 and negative 13 are a zero pair. This leaves us with 12x on the left. 59 plus 13 is 72. To get x by itself, we will divide both sides by 12. 12 over 12 is 1, which leaves us with 1x, or just x. 72 divided by 12 gives us 6. The question asks for the length of segment EF and the length of segment FG. So we're going to use the value of x to plug that in to 8x minus 14 to find the length of segment EF. So we have the length of segment EF equals 8 times 6 minus 14. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 minus 14 gives us 34. So the length of segment EF is 34. We also have that the length of segment FG is 4x plus 1, but we're going to plug in 6 for x. So 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 gives us 25. So the length of segment FG is 25. To check, we can add the length of segment EF to the length of segment FG, 34 plus 25, and check to see that we do indeed get 59, the length of segment EG. The work for this problem is written out on the next few slides. And now I would like you to try homework number 3 on page 453. Use the number line at the right for exercises 3 and 4. If the length of segment RS equals 15 and the length of segment ST equals 9, then what is the length of segment RT?